Hello everyone, that's just Penny here. I am excited to show you some of the kits for January 2022. I hope that you have had a very good start to the new year. I have for you a Bible journaling devotion. Not only that, but I also have a scripture writing for this month as well. And the title is Blessings. I also have a traveler's notebook journal that you just print, cut, and create. I have the Dex cards down here as well. I have a little calendar page that can go in the traveler's notebook. Now, if you are not interested in the devotional, do not worry. You can use this kit without using the devotional. And you can certainly use the Dex cards and the ephemera as well. Here is just some sneak peek here of the traveler's notebook. It is just the standard size, and what I do is I print the background page on all of the pages, and then I flip it and print out the traveler's notebook prints. So it is a blue textile kind of mixed media background this time. And there is the devotion, and I will be showing how to put that together in the next video, in case you're wondering. Here is the pocket. It is a blessings pocket. It's a jar, so here's all the little blessings, and I can put those inside my pocket, resembling putting them in my jar. And as blessings come, or as I count my blessings for 2021, I can put those blessings in the jar. It does have a background page as well, so that you can print on the back, and then you can flip it over and print this on some cardstock. Here's a card kit. I'm so excited to start offering some print, cut, and create card kits. It has the color. This is the base page. This is the panel, or the mat, I guess you could say. And this is the decorative panel. It does have elements that you can put behind the panel or on top of the panel to make it a three-dimensional card. Here is the 5x8 journal. There's just 3 pages. There is the calendar page. It is split in the middle so that you can have a calendar now in your journals. And this is one page, and then this is another page, and then you get the background page. So this will make a good little kit for adding your own for a junk journal. Here is the portrait. This is 8.5 by 11 sheets. This is a portrait sheet. It is just 2 sheets in case you want to do your own 8.5 by 11 journal, or if you want to cover up an altered book or whatever. I have included a song as well. This is Count Your Blessings. For those who do the Bible hymnal art, this is for you guys. Here is the little ephemera pieces, and you could use this piece. You could, use it however. This is a little conversation hearts here. You can write down your blessings, write down a little love note, all kinds of different ideas here. Here's the pocket. This was made to put on top of the jar. Super excited for that. So fun. You can also make it a shaker if you wanted to. Here's the card kit. I printed mine on cardstock, 110 pound. 110 pound cardstock. And here's the Dex cards. Now, the Dex cards I'm going to run through my machine because I do not have a Dex punch. But if you do, hopefully it will size up for you as long as you print as is. Some people have different Dex in here. They have different. So you just have to kind of see what you need and see how you need to cut yours out. But this is how I need to cut mine. So here is the background page in case you want to do some scrapbooking or some art journal. Here is some tags I created. I love these tags. It says keep a record and has the days and the months. And then it has notes if you wanted to take Bible journaling notes or add a note for the day. And then there's the blank one. And then on the back, I'll just print this background page on the back. And then I've created some journaling cards as well. to go along with the tags. And again, you can just print this background page on the back of those. So I hope you enjoy this kit. This kit is called Blessings, and the links will be down below. Stay tuned for all this month. I will be working with this kit because I do have the calendar. I'm sorry, I'm shaking the phone. I do have my scriptures, but I also have my calendar. Like I said, you don't have to take part in the devotion if you do not want to. There's plenty of stuff here for any junk journaler or paper craft or scrapbooker to have fun with. I'm going to be using this in some of my margin arts and things like that. So stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Check out the links down below. Have a wonderful and great day, everyone. Bye.